everybody, James Jenowitz here, Porsche guy here at Porsche Nashua. It is February 20th, 2018, and I'm not wearing a coat. It's almost 50 degrees right now, and they're forecasting 60 and some change later today. So naturally, spring is on my mind. That said, daylight savings time is around the corner, and we'll be changing our clock, springing forward in case you forgot. And I wanted to show everybody real quick how to adjust the clock on your Porsche. As this always comes up this time of year, everybody has a little bit of trouble with this. So there's a couple different ways that we can change that. Let's dive right on in. I'm going to show you a 2018 Macan today. However, the operation is going to be pretty similar amongst all Porsches. So let's take a quick look and we'll get you up to speed. Alright everybody, so we're sitting in a 2018 Porsche Macan. If you drive a different model Porsche, whether it be a Cayenne, a Boxster, a Cayman, a 911, no problem, the operation is going to be identical. The only vehicle we have in our lineup that's going to be a little bit different is going to be the Panamera, as that does have a new updated PCM and gauge layout, but still pretty easy to get along with. But we're going to focus on the main body of our models today. Now there are two different ways that we can adjust the time and the date. The first is going to be in your gauge cluster itself on the right hand side here using the multifunction steering wheel. The second way is going to be via the PCM or your nav display, and I'm going to show you that in just a moment. So the first thing you want to do to adjust the time is you're going to scroll to the vehicle screen. Here we are. I'm going to push enter. I'm going to scroll down to settings. Scroll down to date and time. Now right here you can see automatic time is checked. So automatic time is actually going to sync via the GPS from the PCM and adjust your time as needed. Now if you have a nav equipped vehicle, this is probably the easiest way to go because it's going to adjust it as necessary. You know that your time's always going to be accurate. But if you're the kind of person where you like to set your clock a little bit ahead of what time it actually is, you know, to help you from being late, that kind of thing, I'm one of those guys. I like my clock about 5 minutes fast. You know, I realize that you're lying to yourself, but it works for me. To each their own, right? So if you are the type that want to set it a little bit fast, you're going to want to do it manually. If you want accurate time, GPS is going to be the way to go, and it's going to be the easiest way. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to uncheck this box to show you how to manually set it. You're going to scroll up to time, push enter, and we're going to spring forward to 10:10. Easy. You also have format, so if you prefer military time, we can go ahead and change that here too. Let's put it back to where it was before. Very easy. Now you can see here I'm just hitting the back button to go to the previous menu. Now I can also do the same thing with date. If you want to change your date, you can also change your format. Very easy to get along with. So next, I'm going to show you on the PCM. Okay, so if you prefer to input the time or date on the PCM itself in the nav display, still just as simple a procedure. It's just going to be located over here instead. What you're going to do is you want to go to your car screen by hitting the car button. You can also do this via the home button by hitting the car icon, whichever is easiest for you. You're going to go to set. You're going to go to system. You're going to go to date and time, and up top here you'll see the same thing for your automatic time sync, where it'll sync with the GPS signal. Or I can uncheck that box for a manual entry. I'm just going to go to time, and over here I can increase the hours and minutes, or you can direct input it over here and just hit OK. Very, very easy to get along with. Or you can just check the box for the automatic time sync. Down here is where you'll change the date. And now too, if you're in a manual mode, you can also go ahead and change your time zone. Or if you're in a non-nav equipped vehicle without GPS, you can go ahead and select this for your various time zone throughout the country. And then you also have your time format and date format here. Very, very easy. Alright everybody, well I hope this quick video was helpful. Don't forget to set your clocks forward on Sunday, March 11th at 2 a.m. If I can ever answer any other questions for you on your Porsche, or if I can ever assist you with a new or pre-owned Porsche, drop me a line anytime. I'm always at your service. You can call or text me at 603-562-9393. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at James Your Porsche Guy, and see our constantly changing inventory on the web at www.PorscheNashua.com. Well, I know this guy is very much looking forward to spring sports car season just around the corner, and I hope you are as well. I look forward to working with you in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.